everybody, my name is Andrew, and this is... Alright, today we're going to show you how we went from this to this. Alrighty, so we got all the HVAC stuff in. As you can see, I'm bolted in.
I'm gonna find another steering wheel.
Yeah, we gotta figure out how we got the steering wheel off at the junkyard.
Very carefully.
Yeah. I got this thingy, but it's fully rebuilt. It just needs painted and, you know, a boot. I think I'm gonna get one of those like fancy boots that like actually covers it instead of this stupid thing. But yeah, I have to go grab the hardware that's inside.
Do you have a 1/2 inch wrench over there?
Should. I got the fancy 1/2 inch. Actually, this one's the fancy 1/2 inch.
Noises. Ready? Yes. Nothing.
Is the battery just like that?
The battery might be that dead.
Is it just go up?
ECU clicks. Voltage doesn't move. Speedometer moves. Huh. If you want to.
If anything happens. Oh, lights are on up front.
Lights are on?
Yeah. Oh, the side lights thingies. The running lights are on. Let me go look in the back real quick. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's no bulbs in the back.
Side marker lights?
Blinkers? Those still don't work.
We got nothing on. This might be a bad cluster.
It's plugged in. Alright, as y'all can see, we've been putting in some work on this thing. This is a future idea. I think it would be cool. But still got to plug some more stuff in, get some fuses sorted out. Some of the plugs are a little rough, so got to sort those out. But yeah, here it is. Look how nice this dash looks. I'll get a new dash pad on that. But yeah, got all this stuff plugged in, got the dash in. It's a big mess in here right now. It's about to get crazy. You'll see why in just a little bit. I'll post a video in about 2 weeks, and we'll see how stuff's going then. Anyways, guess who has their license now? Yeah, I do. 16 years old, finally got my license so I can drive this hunk of junk. Y'all let me know what you would like to see me do with this car. I have some interesting ideas. please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think, really, honestly. Honest opinions, how I could edit the videos better, how I could make better content for y'all. Anyways, see y'all later. Stay blessed. Peace. So anyways, let me know what kind of content you would like me to see. Let